Hi guys, it's Monday morning. Um, Last week we talked about the different measures of center. We talked about mean, median, and mode. Now we're going to talk about a measure of variation or a measure of change, how data changes. Uh, this is called the mean absolute deviation. So let's take a look at the words. The mean means the average. Absolute, think back to when we discussed absolute value or how far a number is from zero. And then deviation. Deviation basically just means how something changes or deviates. So, mean absolute deviation. I've listed some data, and notice I've listed it in order from least to greatest. I have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 5 pieces of data. And the first step to find the mean absolute deviation is to add or find the sum and then the average of the data. And actually, the first step is in the first word. So first I need to find the average of that data. The average of this data, add them up, and I get a sum of 25. And I have 5 pieces of data, so I'm going to divide by 5. And I have an average of 5. And notice that's a center also. So my average is 5. I've found the mean. The next step is to compare the average to each piece of data. I'm going to find how the absolute deviation, so meaning how much is 1 and 5, how much are they different by? Well, they're different by 4. They're absolutely different by 4. Now, it's not a plus or minus 4. It's just they're absolutely different by 4. 3 to 5, they're different by 2. 5 to 5, they deviate by 0. 5 to 7, they're absolutely different by an amount of 2. 5 to 9, they're different by an amount of 2. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 absolute differences. Now, what I do with these absolute differences is I find the average of this new list of absolute differences. So I simply find the sum of this new set of differences. So that'd be a 6 and 4 more. That's a sum of 10. And we're going to find the average of that. 5 pieces of data. We will divide by 5. So the mean absolute deviation is 2. It's like the average of the average. It's